Lo machen je Livestream vu WW 2K19. So fang ich schon mal an. Manchmal egen den, vielleicht zu weiß wie das neue Spiel ist. Normal Match. Wie kennt man noch einholen? Moment, den Undertaker. Gains. Wie kennt man da holen? Auch über den Triple H. Den Einzug man ich aus, weil die können Musik ja sowieso nicht hören. Ja, den muss ich leider ausmachen. So, Clash of Champions ist man nach der Arena hier. Wer kann mal holen? WrestleMania. So, alles. So, da geht los. Gesellschaft und Grafik also enorm besser gehen, also vergleich zu den letzten war Grafik auch schon gut, mit ist so als noch besser. Gesagt noch wie man als bewege ganz anders. Game high. Weet je goed los zijn. Ja, an de Triple H muss dann Turnbuckle kussen.
We see Triple H with some reason for concern, but he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do to rebound. You seem more motivated than ever heading into this match.
Man könnte sagen, richtig schon tanzen auf dem Seil. So sind sie mal früher gesagt, Kommentator.
I can't help but think how he's changed the face of the WWE over the years, including when he was the driving force behind the creation of Evolution in 2002 with the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. The Undertaker is a force within the ring. One move after the other. It's devastating.
Michael started discussing Evolution in 2002 and the force they became. They represented the past with Flair, the present with Triple H, and the future with Randy Orton and Batista. You might not have liked them, but...
Schön die Big Boots vom Undertaker.
Not like Evolution. I loved them in Evolution because they took joy in angering just about everyone else. At one point in 2003, they held every men's championship on Raw. A true testimony.
No, Triple H kann blocken.
Getting his attention with a vicious strike. The Undertaker is not
Schön
someone to
Body
sleep
Slam
on.
vom Undertaker.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Du gesehen da vielleicht da so ein kleines Rundsymbol sind zwei da an du wo du geht das das füllt sich löser und dann wenn ich im Boden rein da war schü den R hin dann allein zu drücken und steht mein Mensch steht dann automatisch auf also ganz schnell ne?
Up and over with a suplex. Triple H can't be feeling feeling good right now. This is not where he wants to be at this point in this match. I think this one's over. We were very close to seeing game over for Triple H right there. Undertaker
Triple H kann blocken.
looks like he may have let his guard down there for a moment and it cost him.
Yeah, he's taking on some offense here, but that's to be expected.
An der Jokeslam können vom Undertaker.
Here's his moment, Michael.
Der soll's. Der muss Pin. Alle Wef.
And he got a near fall out of it.
Wow, even now, when he's on the edge of defeat, Triple H shows the grit you expect from a superstar like him.
And he delivers a brutal DDT.
Wieder den krachend Schläger vom Undertaker. Eine schöne Backbody Drop.
Exhibiting some amazing acrobatics.
Giants, Immortals, the Undead Warriors.
And he got a near fall out of it.
Triple H kann noch raus.
What it's going to take.
Pushing damage to the back. Corey, something I've observed over the years from this scene. The Undertaker.
The Undertaker looking to bury...
Das ist die sogenannten OMG Moves. Du drückst R1 mit Dreieck. Und da musst du so Spezialmanöver. Musste allerdings ein Finisher-Symbol hin, sonst geht nicht.
People have been wanting to see these guys go at it for a long time, and by the sound of this crowd, these things are getting what they wanted.
Undertaker möchte seinen Pose, seinen berühmten Pose. Town wird dann am Spiel genannt.
Everyone knows that Triple H's career is one of the most accomplished in WWE history. But I've got to be honest, I'm still mad about the time back in 2014 when he tossed me around at Raw.
It was magic.
It was horrible.
This is what makes him one of the...
Triple H kann blocken. Ja, schön.
Oh, Triple H dodged that one. Triple H looking to finish down.
Spinebuster von Triple H.
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
Den Tritt Undertaker. Ich bin ein bisschen verletzt bei der Aktion. Ui. Ich kann blocken, okay. Oh ne, ich wollte sein Finishing Move, man. Undertaker sein Finishing Move, das ist ein Tombstone, Piledriver. Ich wollte den gerade umsetzen.
That was impressive, Cole. Oh my God, in the spine. That'll make your legs go numb.
Nicht gerade den Stuhl da.
And it's the Undertaker.
Noch nicht so gerade. Das sind doch viel schon. Mal geht doch noch was in dem Stuhl schon. So, aber mit C, komm, Undertaker, ja, geh ab. So geht nicht drauf. Komisch.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. The Undertaker is not someone to sleep on. What does the calloused heart of the Undertaker have in mind? Undertaker's looking to end it.
So, du kannst einen Finishing Move, den Tombstone Piledriver. Geht durch, jetzt bin ich gespannt.
There's the cover, can he do it?
Ja.
And there's a
Triple H kann das.
I can't believe what we're seeing here.
Kann das. Ich sehe nur mal schön, wie sich Wrestler bei Zähler robben, wenn sie mit sind.
Triple H doing a great job of turning that around. Oh, the Undertaker
Jumping
dodged that
DDT.
one.
Top, ein Kopf zieht.
He jumps so high off the ground, he can invent moves in midair.
Du, was man Ring da geschützt. Das ist ein Fall.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. There goes the official.
Not gonna lie, that would hurt.
Oh no!
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He wants no part of the outside. Undertaker's looking to end it.
So, du sing last weiter, das ist ein Signature-Move.
Oh my God! But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Did you guys feel
So,
that
du
too?
willst Match beenden.
Backdrop suplex.
Jetzt muss ich es nachher richtig zurechtlegen, Triple H. So.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Ich bin gespannt, ob der geht.
Shoulders down, this could be it. And he got a near fall.
Boah, Triple H kann da raus. Kann da
He
raus.
is rolling.
Mann.
An impressive strike there. From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries.
Undertaker can sense he's got the upper hand, feeling good about his chances.
Just a clubbing axe handle.
Triple H kann blocken.
Triple H looking
Boah,
at
ein Spinebuster von Triple H.
It should be game over here, guys.
Your whole body hurts after a move like that.
He's got him covered. He's got some fight left in him. Way too early.
So. Ich kann rauskommen und ich Comeback-Move. Das heißt, muss ich halt wieder gesehen, der richtige Moment muss ich Taste drücken.
Punished right now.
That is exactly what the Undertaker needed.
Oh my,
Schon
the
Reaktion.
Undertaker. The game getting absolutely.
We got it covered. When this guy's on, look out.
Ah, Triple H
Never
kann
say
man
die
raus.
attitude out of him.
And the game stays in this one with a kick out. Wow.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their play.
Sind noch ein Jokeslam?
Always more in their arsenal. Chokeslam.
The game getting absolutely punished right now. Jeez, I felt that one over here.
Oh.
There's the break.
Ja, ich mein Look gepasst. Ui, Triple H will sein Pedigree umsetzen. Nix da.
This has been a war.
So, der dritte Tombstone, das muss er lösen.
This could be it. Cover. Real close. Too close for cover.
I don't believe it. He refuses to lose.
Ich kann nicht leben, Triple H aus nur 3 Tombstone Pauldriver rausbekommen. Ich kann nicht leben.
Wow, can't believe the Undertaker got out of that one. Avoids trouble there. Clothesline.
Holy Julie, that was close.
Nobody controls the pace of a match.
Triple H
Quite
kann
like
blocken.
this guy.
Dann ist
By
Spinebuster.
the game. That's how you put an exclamation
Cover here. Two. A kick out. You can see the frustration starting to build.
Ich muss noch rauskommen.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Look, Triple H is on the attack now.
Nix da.
Whoa, the Undertaker dodged that one.
Oh, and he reverses it.
Da gesehen, lo bin ich allein und rein gedrückt. Und dann kann das schnell abstellen. So, lo noch rein. Und ich mein, doch mit Warquake. Ich mein, es sind sehr da drin.
You can't teach
Yeah.
the type of tenacity we're witnessing here. Unreal.
How'd he do that? Oh, and a terrific reversal by Triple H.
You know what? There's no way that's legal. Using the boot here. The Undertaker is a force within the ring. Not much behind that.
Een Warquake.
Wow.
That's pure power, guys.
Und das Sidewalk Slam.
Term injuries for sure. Over the years,
So,
we've come to expect these
Anchor
bursts
in
of
Juke
greatness.
Slam.
Undertaker's looking to end it.
So, du. Bang.
That has got to be it.
So, du willst Match aber hei beenden. Da müsst dann wieder an den 5. Tunst du. Muss da wirklich da gewesen sein.
The intensity of this
Oh.
match has been incredible.
No! Undertaker!
Ich hab nicht auf dem Warquake gehabt. Ich muss noch kurz sehen.
Oh my.
Ach nee, ne,
Did he
das war
kick
ein
out of
Warquake.
Gonna take a whole lot more.
Caught him with a big boot.
On the mark. Oh, there's an elbow drop.
Nice move. He can end it here. One true testament
Ach,
to
du
grit.
willst drauf rauskommen. Mit auch in den DDT.
Sit out pile driver.
Oh, he turns it around.
Yeah, but it's all about sustaining that effort. Let's hope he can do it. Over the years,
Nee,
we've
das
come
kann
to
man nicht.
expect these bursts of greatness from him.
Undertaker's looking to end it.
So.
Oh my God!
Well, there's only one thing left to say, guys. Rest in peace.
So.
Trip to the local
Und noch
medical
ein.
facility might be in order after
Ich
that.
hoffe, das klappt nicht.
Yeah, but it's all about
Nee, den
sustaining
Triple H
that
kann
effort.
blocken.
Let's hope he can do it.
He thinks he has it. One gets the shoulder up loud. What's it going to take?
I'm just as shocked as everyone else, Cole.
Nee, 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 nee.
Undertaker dodged that one.
This kind of offense he's known for.
Over the years, we've come to expect these bursts of greatness from him.
He's inflicted
Russia,
serious
Leg Sweep in
pain
die
here.
Aktion. So, nun ein kein Juke Slam. Ich muss mich ein bisschen erholen, weil du siehst anders lila, da füllt sich dann der Balken. Ich muss mich ein bisschen erholen. So, da. Nee.
The intensity of this has been incredible.
Nee, nee, nee.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Okay. Komm, lo. Ist okay, kein Symbol mehr, okay.
Nicely done.
Der Match hat halt.
So damaging. Oh boy, he is rolling. Triple H doing a great job of turning that around. And he's taken down with authority.
So, Leute sind schon aufgestanden, am Arena, am erlehnt. Nee, tut mir nicht genutzt, du. Der Match ist halt toll aus dem Match. Nee. So. Schaff Logik, du.
Got the shoulders down. What is keeping this competitor going? Not yet.
And it's The Undertaker, able to break free. Oh, Triple H dodged that one. Barely at 2.5.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it. DDT!
Hey, wo gehst du? Komm schnell am Rang.
Bringing it back into the ring. The Undertaker using his feet nicely here.
He finally got it, guys.
The
So,
demon
een
of
schöne
death
Lordschen
with
Kloßland.
destruction on his mind.
Und ich glaube, okay, ja.
Oh, he's able to reverse it.
Triple H is on fire, letting everyone know how he feels. Oh, I think this man means business.
Ich kann noch blocken.
The Undertaker dodged that one. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Triple H blockt.
He's too quick for him there.
3 Asien intensive Match.
Triple H looking to end it. A spine buster.
To think, I almost wrote
That should do it right there. 2. Dug down deep and gets the shoulder up.
Du war knapp. Du war richtig knapp.
And there's the cover. 2.
And he's able to get out.
I don't know where he's finding the strength to stay in this one. The Undertaker looking to bury another victim.
Undertaker's looking to end it.
So, ich bin aber 7. Paul Driver durch. Zu 7 zum Paul Driver, pardon. So, komm.
A kick out. And he almost had it.
Oh boy.
Do that.
Nope. Reverses it.
Whoa, Triple H dodged that one. Whoa, the Undertaker dodged that one. He's inflicting some serious pain here. That's how you make an impact. The Undertaker is not someone to sleep on. Whoa, Triple H dodged that one.
Mit krachenden Kloßland von Triple H.
Look at this.
Das ist unglaublich, so durch den Steinkorb so.
Right to the back. The Undertaker looking to
So
bury
kann man.
another victim.
Nee,
It's all academic.
ist schon so mit. Die Menschen so mit, ich kann mir keine Aktion mehr zustellen. Ich muss mich erholen, nein.
Will it be? Wow, I can't believe he had the energy to kick out of that. He may be the dead man, but Taker ain't laying down for anybody. Man, Triple H, what offense.
Okay. Er weiß wohl direkt drei. Hat er formal Triple H.
Now the
Ja,
old
ja.
vicious head crank. Look at the torque.
Look, Triple H is on the attack now.
Hey, komm, Undertaker, stopp.
Now that got those shoulders on the mat.
Undertaker kicks out with ease. Too early in the match to end it.
Ja, Undertaker ist einfach unsterblich. Ah, komm. Ich meine, der Kablock, ich meine. Ja.
No, he reverses it.
Gut.
Caught him with a big boot on the mark.
So, wir probieren das Match zu beenden.
There's got to be some point in the match where those thoughts start to creep in that it could
So
be over.
cool.
And then you got to dig down deep. Get rid of the self-doubt and continue on toward victory. He goes for the cover. And he got a near fall out of it. What a match.
Könnte der Tour
It's
leben?
all about sustaining that effort. Let's
Ach,
hope
du
he
bist
can
ein
do
Arsch
it.
gemacht, also. Das ist nicht normal. Ehrlich.
The Undertaker got him there.
Also, wenn der Weston auch live guckt, mischt es immer so, dass du einen
No
Tombstone mischen sie also dort 2 maximal, aber kein 8. Okay, müssen dazu auch so nicht verpummeln. Dort, mein Gegner, also Triple H halt respektiv, wieder zurückkommen, also dann zählt den Cover ja nicht, ne?
Executed perfectly.
So, danke, in Jokes da.
Setting it up. Massive chokeslam. That's what he
Ich
was
probiere
looking
einfach mal einen
for.
Jokes zu pinnen. Okay.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window.
Ja, das ist durch.
The Undertaker gets the W. The Undertaker wins it. Now let's take a look back at these guys in action.
I can watch highlights of that one all night long. One of the great WWE matches I've ever been able to watch.
Du siehst dann ein
That was just one of those
Replay-Animation.
matches that the men involved
Unfassbar.
should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance.
Here is your winner, The Undertaker.
Put a check in the win column for Undertaker.
Oh man, I would not want to be in the boardroom with Triple H after a loss like this.
We may be in New Orleans tonight, but I assure you there was nothing
So,
easy about that win right there.
Ich hatte im Menschen erstellt. Und ich wollte eine Karriere aufhängen, mit ich zusammen. Mein Spieler, ne, beim Final schon mal. Ah, hey, ich spiele meine Karriere, also. Noch schon erstellt, mein Menschen. Du hast ihn der Punish auch nicht genannt. So, da fängt nicht an. Meine Karriere, Kapitel 1, im Van auf großer Fahrt. Alles.
Hey, big BCW show this Friday night at the high school. Tell your friends.
Don't need a flyer. I go to every show. Wait, is that you?
What do you mean?
Facing Mr. CQ in the main event. It's definitely you.
I guess I can see the resemblance, but that guy's a huge indie star. Why would he be out here flyering for a show?
Hey, is this weirdo bothering you?
He's one of the wrestlers.
No, I'm not. Have fun at the show.
Yo, I thought Restos had money. Why would he be driving around some crappy bug van?
See? Good point. More proof that I am not who you think I am.
Sure. You gotta check out this guy's highlights online. He's going to be a huge star in WWE someday.
Thanks. That's nice of you to say. I mean about the wrestler on the poster who's, definitely not me.
Come on, let's go.
Hope you beat Mr. CQ. I can't stand that guy.
Well, maybe I'll see you in the crowd Friday night. I mean, as a fan. Definitely not from the ring, because I'm not a wrestler.
Ja, da geht doch los sein, ne? Ich schlägt dann eng Van heu. Ja, fängt an der Indie-Promotion an und ja, das muss wo ganz innen noch opkämpfen, ne? Okay.
Hey, I want you to meet Matt Bloom from NXT. Matt, this is my protege, Van Gogh.
I'm a big fan, Mr. Bloom. I mean, I've studied all your matches from your run in WWE and Japan. Really great stuff.
Thanks. You must be a true student of the game.
I try to be.
So why do they call you Van Gogh? Are you some kind of artist?
Not quite. I gave him that name because everywhere he goes, his dad's old work van goes. He practically lives in that thing.
Yeah, practically. So what brings you out to our show?
I'm here to scout your opponent, Cole Quinn.
You should take a look at me too. I mean, you came all the way here and you're just going to be watching the match anyway, right?
I respect your confidence, but I'm here to evaluate Cole Quinn. That's not to say I won't be watching every other wrestler here tonight, but I wouldn't go get your hopes up.
Understood. Well, I gotta go get ready, but it was really nice to meet you, Mr. Bloom. And, you know, thanks for coming out to the show tonight.
Aber hoffte nicht zu viel sehen. Ja. Wir werden schon als Bashman, ne?
Hey man, good to see you.
Slow your roll, Greenie. Tonight's my big chance to get signed to NXT, so don't do anything to screw it up.
Okay, look, I'm gonna give it everything I have tonight, and we'll see where we stand after that.
All I know is I'll be standing in Orlando at the Performance Center. You can continue standing in high school gyms.
We'll see.
How about you worry about facing me tonight instead of trying to get Matt Bloom's autograph? Suck up.
Zum Match, meine Nummer ist als ein erstes Match. Sind wir gespannt. Ja, Match ausgeht. Ich fange ja ganz an der BCW. Aufstrebende Lokal-Indie-Promo. Der Promoter-Verbindung zur WWE, aber da hat sich schon gemacht. So, da geht los rein. Der Spieler muss über Pinfall oder Submission gewinnen. Okay. Oh ja, schön Powerbomb. So ist aber richtig. Auf Reck sind schon eine kleine Arena. Auf Reck ist winzig. Das ist gut, das ist dreckig, ne? Das ist deswegen. Direkt pur Clothesline hier drin. Direkt pur Chops hier drin.
Someday we'll be able to afford play-by-play announcers. Until then, you're stuck with me, Baron Blade.
Du siehst gut, wie du schwest durch Gegend flieht von ein Kritte-Gegner. Das ist schon mega gemacht.
proceeds go to charity. Just kidding.
Schön Backelbomb, so nennen sie die Aktion.
This is what BCW is all about.
Ui, du hast schon bald an Weißteile, wo du geschlagen hat. So, weiß nice Aktion. Ganz speziell, die kann ich nämlich nicht.
Tonight's attendance is, oh, never mind. Just enjoy the match, everyone.
Allerdings schön Godwinch Powerbomb. Doch, ich verdreht für den Cool Quinn diesen Schein. Yes. Mein Gott, eine Clothesline-Serie.
If these two keep it up, they're going straight to the principal's office.
Muskelposen einfach so. Du kannst als Signaturmove, das ist von innen, wie gesagt, so gelen S, da kann ich einen Signaturmove machen.
There's so much at stake in this match. Let's just say you never know who's watching at a BCW show.
Schönen Ginbreaker noch.
I think that's against the school's code of conduct.
Ui. Komm, geh nicht stiften, hi. Komm, schön Ring, zeig an der Ring. So, du willst ja Finishing Move mal. Schön Tiger Powerbomb. Puff. So, ich muss ein bisschen hinterzählen, darum wieder Zähler geht. So, und das Durchgang. Kann ich heute sein echtes Match gewinnen. So, das war mein Stream von WW2 Kanonsen. Wenn euch den Stream gefallen hat, dann gebt mir manchmal ein Like oder abonniert meinen Kanal. Bis demnächst, Spielkater. Ade.